Non-osteoporosis is like a silent thief. It slowly weakens your bones over time, making them fragile and more prone to breaks. But what causes it? Age, genetics, and lifestyle choices play a big role. Women, especially postmenopausal, are at higher risk. So, what are the warning signs? Unfortunately, there aren't many until it's too late. You might notice a loss of height or a stooped posture. Even minor falls or bumps can lead to fractures. Prevention is key. Keep your bones strong by eating a calcium-rich diet. Think dairy, leafy greens, and nuts. Don't forget vitamin D. Sunshine and supplements help. Regular weight-bearing exercises like jogging, walking, or even dancing can make a huge difference. And remember, it's never too late to start. Stay informed, stay healthy, and keep those bones strong. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips.